I fall for your love.
What is up everyone, this is Amit Naik. Welcome to yet another vlog. So last couple of days it has been raining here and I'm hoping Bogatha Waterfalls is at its prime because just look at this beautiful river and looking at the flow, यही hope कर रहा हूँ कि Bogatha Waterfalls में पानी अच्छा खासा हो. They call the Niagara of Telangana. I want to see Bogatha Waterfalls at its prime. So let's hope कि Bogatha Waterfalls this time does not disappoint me with Hey! I don't know if we are going to kind of swamp. It's been raining for the past 2 days, but still we are enjoying. I've got this view of my friends, and at the same time, this guy is here. So I'm taking ground, but still I'm like, yeah, you are going to be my secondary camera guy. This is a desi jugaad. Again, getting my umbrella. I know I look like a laughing stock, but it's okay. So I actually had to take oh god, camera. So I had to take tickets here, each person 20 and vehicle ka 50. I don't know whether my face is clear or not. अरे यार ये कैसा गेट है यार, मेरा छाता कैसे जाएगा? Oh, that's a creative way. As I walk closer to the waterfall, I can hear the sound of waterfalls and believe me, it is intense. And with time, I'm just being very much excited about the Niagara Waterfall. That's Bogatha Waterfalls for you. Believe me, I've been here like a couple of times, but this is the waterfalls at its best. Again, I see a lot of crowd in here. Again, you can expect that. Because Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha, almost हर border nearby है. And जिस place को Niagara Falls कहा जाता है, अब इसके वहाँ तो लोग आएंगे. Whoa. If only I could show my emotions to you visiting Bogatha Waterfalls for 21st time, and this is at its best. I'm already on clouds right now. I haven't seen this gigantic of Bogatha Waterfalls. Let me give you a beautiful river in 3, 2, 1. My heart is filled with joy, and at the same time I'm so satisfied, documenting or making video of Bogatha Waterfalls. So next time, another place Telangana unexplored, feet Mulugu. We'll meet again in another video. As of now, अगर कोई लास्ट क्लिप आ रहा है तो एंजॉय कर लीजिए. And this is how I look. All dressed by the way. I should look cool.